In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete games on Steam. If your storage is getting tight or you're just finished with a title, uninstalling a game through Steam is quick and totally reversible. Uninstalling removes the game's local files from your computer to free up space, but it doesn't remove the game from your account. You can reinstall it at any time, and your achievements stay put. Many games also sync saves to Steam Cloud, though a few keep saves only on your PC. So if you care about a single player save, consider backing it up before you proceed. First, open the Steam desktop app and head to your library. You'll find library in the top navigation. This is where every game you own appears, whether it's installed or not. If you have a big collection, use the search box on the left to quickly find the title you want to remove, or sort by installed to narrow the list. Next, right-click the game you want to delete. You can right-click either the name in the left sidebar or the larger game tile in the main view. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works, and on some keyboards, you can hold Control and click. This opens a context menu with options just for that game. Now hover your mouse over Manage. A submenu will appear. Click Uninstall. Steam will ask you to confirm, because this action deletes the installed files from your drive. Click Uninstall again to confirm if the game is running or an update is active. Close it first, then repeat that click so Steam can proceed. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and when it's done, the install button will appear next to the game, confirming the removal. That's it. The game is uninstalled and the disk space is freed. The entry remains in your library, so you can reinstall later by clicking Install and choosing a drive. Any DLC that was installed is removed with the game and will come back automatically if you install again. Workshop content may be re-downloaded on reinstall depending on your subscriptions. Quick tip: if you manage multiple drives with Steam library folders, Steam automatically removes the files from the drive where the game lived, so you don't need to hunt for folders. And if uninstall seems missing, make sure you actually selected the correct game and that you're in the standard desktop interface, not big picture mode. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.